So everyone is telling you that you need to start a personal brand. Every coach, every make money online expert is screaming at you that you need to make a personal brand to succeed in 2025. But here's the brutal truth that they won't tell you. If you don't have any skills, knowledge, or something people actually want, your personal brand is going to fail miserably. I'm Marcus, and I built my first 7-figure business with zero social media presence, zero personal brand, nothing. And I'm going to show you exactly why the personal brand advice is backwards and what successful people actually do instead. And that with just one skill, you can get to that 6-figure a year mark way faster than any personal brand ever could. But firstly, let me ask you something that's going to make you a little bit uncomfortable. Aside from your friends and family, who do you actually follow on social media? And more importantly, why do you even follow them? If I had to answer this honestly, I'd say people like George Heaton, Daniel Darlin, Alex Hormozi, and Jason Statham. And the reason I follow them isn't because they have this great personal brand, it's because they've achieved things I want to achieve. George built Represent into a massive clothing empire, Alex sold his companies for hundreds of millions, and Jason Statham is just an incredibly cool guy that has the family lifestyle that I want. And here's what everyone's missing. These people didn't build their following first. They became successful first, and then people wanted to follow them because of what they'd achieved. And here's where it gets really interesting. And this is going to challenge everything you've been told about personal branding. Most people are approaching this completely backwards. They think they need to start a personal brand so that they can make money, but it's like trying to become a celebrity before you have any talent. And let me give you a reality check here that might sting. What do you have right now that other people want or desire? Why would someone even follow you in the first place? Are you an incredibly successful entrepreneur? Do you have an amazing lifestyle that people want to aspire to? Are you world class at some valuable skill? Do you have results that people actually want to replicate? And if you're being brutally honest with yourself and the answer to these questions is no, then you're probably not going to gain a meaningful following. And you're definitely not going to make a significant amount of money from having a personal brand. And I'm not saying this to be harsh. I'm saying this because I care about your success more than I care about telling you, what you want to hear. The people who have successful personal brands got them because they already achieved something remarkable. They already have something that people want, whether that's a skill they want to learn, results they want to replicate, or a lifestyle that they want to emulate. And here's what really opened my eyes to it. And I can speak from my own experience here with Club Closer. Before I had the coaching program, I didn't even bother having a personal brand. I had a business, an agency doing 7 figures a year with no social media presence, no personal brand, nothing, because I just simply didn't need it. The demographic I was going after wasn't on social media looking for personal brands to follow. They needed a specific solution to a specific problem, and I provided that solution than anyone else could in the market. And I only started a personal brand once I developed these expertise, once I became genuinely interesting from having built a successful business. And once I had a valuable knowledge base that people were actively seeking out. But here's the point that changed everything. I had something valuable to offer first. The personal brand is just the delivery mechanism, not the product itself. And this leads me to the biggest mistake I see people making at the moment. And here's what you really need to understand. If you don't have any skills, you don't have anything valuable to offer a marketplace, you're not going to make any money from a personal brand, period. And the most useful thing I can tell you is go and actually become a person of interest. Go and have some interesting experience. Go and experience life. Go and work with successful people. Go and build up a skill set that people will actually want to come and learn from. And my biggest advice is really that no beginner who's trying to make money online should be trying to start a personal brand. They should go and acquire a high value skill set first and then turn themselves into an asset that people naturally want to follow. And I can give you the perfect example of this in action. With my coaching program, Club Closer, I've helped countless clients make 10, 20, and some even 50K per month by leveraging one skill, high ticket sales, with no personal brand whatsoever. These people are getting paid to learn and have experiences in business. They're working with successful business owners, learning how their companies operate, understanding their marketing funnels, their sales process, their business models, and they're gaining real world experience and they're getting paid for it. They're not spending months or years in their bedrooms with the curtains closed, trying to build an audience that might, never grow or monetize. They're developing a high value skill that pays them from day one. They're creating stories, experiences that they could talk about if they ever decided that they wanted to start a personal brand later. And frankly, many of them could start personal brands now if they wanted to, because they actually have something valuable to share. They have real results, they have real experience, they have real knowledge that people actually want to learn from. But they all start with the skill set first, not the brand first. They put the horse before the cart, and that's kind of why they're successful. Same as all those other examples I gave at the start of this video. And this brings me to the validation process that can change everything. Don't try and build a personal brand until you've validated those skill sets and actually made money from them. You know, once you've proven to yourself and others that you actually know what you're talking about. So don't try to build a personal brand until you've validated those skills and made some money, because once you've proven to yourself and others that you actually know what you're talking about, you're in a much stronger position. And if you're watching this and you do have some skin in the game, you've got some value to share and you've lived some life for yourself and you truly want to start a personal brand, I can offer you this advice. You really need to understand why you're building that brand in the first place. You know, what's the goal? What are you trying to achieve? Are you trying to sell a product? Are you trying to attract brand deals? Are you trying to, seek speaking opportunities? Because without a clear purpose and without, this proven expertise to back it up, your personal brand is just going to be noise in an already incredibly crowded space. But when you have real skills, real results, and a clear purpose, that's when your personal brand becomes a really powerful tool for scaling, your impact and obviously your income. But please don't even try if you're just starting out. There is a select few people that find success with doing it this way. And I know this because I'm friends with them. My girlfriend is one of them. But she and the others I know were very clear with their intention starting out. They carved out their niche within the internet and they found success with it. But her and their goals was never money orientated. They did it for passion, and that passion then turned into a career. But if you're anything like me, which I assume you are if you're watching this, and you're looking at a personal brand as a way to make money, then it's the wrong way to look at it, and it's not the route you should go. Because this is the truth that nobody really wants to admit. If you become genuinely excellent at something valuable, the personal brand opportunities will come naturally. People will want to learn from you, work with you, and follow your journey because you actually have something that's worth following. But if you're just trying to build a brand without any substance to back it up, you're going to struggle, you're going to get frustrated, and you're probably going to give up, like 95% of people who are trying this backwards approach. And this approach might take longer than the fake it till you make it personal brand approach, but it's infinitely more sustainable and profitable in the long run. And if you haven't caught my drift yet, I'm going to share with you exactly what you should do instead. First and foremost, pick a high value skill and become excellent at it. I obviously recommend high ticket sales because it's instantly monetizable and it teaches you these business fundamentals. But of course, you can choose something that aligns with your interests and obviously market demand. And the second point here is really get that real world experience. Don't just consume content about that skill, actually practice it, work with real clients or companies, and get those results to validate your processes and that you can ultimately point to in the future. And third, if you are going to document your journey, don't make it your focus. Share what you're learning and the results you're getting, but remember that the skill development is the priority. It's not the content creation. And the last point here is I really only think you should start actively building a personal brand once you have that proven expertise and a clear purpose as what you want to happen with that brand. And look, I know this isn't what most people want to hear. Everyone wants the shortcut. A lot of people want to be famous. They want the hack. They want to skip the hard work and they want to go straight to the results. But that's not how real success works. And if you're serious about building something sustainable, something that will actually generate significant income and give you the lifestyle you want, you really need to develop these skills first. And frankly, if you want to learn the skill that I believe is the fastest path to 6 figures with just one skill, check out Club Closer in the description. I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started with high ticket sales and how you can start earning while you learn. But remember, this isn't about building a personal brand. It's about building real skills and creating real value. The personal brand can come later once you actually have something worth sharing. And hopefully, if this video did change your perspective and showed you a better path moving forward, hit the subscribe button for more real talk about what it actually takes to succeed online. I'll see you in the next one.